Hi guys, my name is Asahina and welcome back to my channel. Today we're here to show you guys my skincare routine. This video has been highly requested. I've been getting multiple comments saying my skincare routine, what's your skincare routine sis, drop a skincare routine. Well, since I recently hit 100 subscribers, small milestone, but at least it's something, so I'm always grateful. Also, if you want to know what I do to keep my skin, I guess, somewhat maintained, then keep on watching. Let's go. Basically, I use a sleeping mask. This is gonna be more towards my morning routine, but I use a sleeping mask from Glow Recipe. It's the watermelon sleeping mask, and basically what that mask is, it goes on your skin at night, and then when you wake up you kind of get like a peeling sensation because that mask it exfoliates your face. But in the morning when I need to pick her up, I only use one. I know people do like the whole Korean skincare routine, which I somewhat do, but I kind of dumb it down a little bit. So I only use one face wash, and the face wash that I use is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This is really good at erasing makeup, and this is a deep cleanser too, so it takes everything off. And also, since it also has chemical exfoliant in this, this also exfoliates your face really gently. So if you have dark spots, or if you have, you know, discoloration or anything like that, just your skin's uneven, this will do a good job. So how y'all doing today? Y'all doing good? Right now it's like 8 something in the morning, and I recently saw CL's videos, her 2 new releases for the In the Name of Love thing that she's doing. I believe it's called, she has a song called Aqua, and one I believe is called Paradox. Both songs are freaking beautiful, and the videos are so freaking cute. I cleanse my face for, I think, a good minute. I cleanse my face for a good minute. Okay, so basically we took that layer off our skin, and now I'm gonna go in again with the cleanser, but this time I'm gonna go in, because I'm going in with this cleanser again, it's because first time was to get the face mask off. This time it's really to get into my skin, and you see how I had my hands lather the product? So we're gonna head to my room to do the rest of my skincare routine, because I have all my skincare products in my bathroom, only my face wash is in my bathroom. So we're gonna go to my room and we're gonna continue with the skincare routine. Okay, so now we are in my room, so you're gonna see a different whole other environment. But back to my skincare routine. The next product we're gonna use on my skincare routine is kind of swapped. So my morning routine and my skincare routine at night, they're kind of swapped. So I'm going to go into the Glossier. It is the Glossier Solution Exfoliating Skin Perfector. Now this is an exfoliator, so I'm really big on chemical exfoliants. To me, I feel like chemical exfoliants are more effective than physical exfoliants. I remember I kept using the St. Ives apricot scrub, and I thought it was doing like wonders for my skin. Turns out that thing was tearing my skin up. So with my morning and night routine, let's say I use this in the morning, all right? Then I'm going to use this product at night, and this product is the Glow Recipe Pineapple Serum Bright Serum. So this one I will use opposite. So let's say I use this in the morning. That means I'm going to use this one at night. So I have my pad or whatever. This is actually a paper towel that I used because I don't have any more cotton pads. I have to go buy some more. Usually I will see, like, this is why I prefer to use cotton pads or cotton balls, because you will literally see on the cotton balls, like, you would see the skin, the dirt that's still left on your skin. So solution is done. The next thing I'm going to do is my eye cream. So this eye cream is from Glossier. Actually, if you guys know Kenny JD, you guys probably do know who Kenny JD is, but she got me onto this eye cream. And I've actually been loving this eye cream slash lip plumper apparently. But this is the Glossier Bubble Wrap Eye and Lip Plumping Cream. So I put this on after I do my solution, before I go into my toner, because in the instructions it tells you that you should put this on literally before you put any other, like, I mean, you can put a product on, but you should put this on before you get into, you know, moisturizing and stuff like that. And a lot of my products involve a lot of moisturizing. Around this time of year, my skin gets very dry to the point where I start breaking out a lot. So I've been using a lot of moisturizing products to avoid that. Like, I would have a whole bunch of breakouts here on my cheek and a whole bunch of breakouts here, some breakouts on my nose, and then some on my forehead. It gets so bad. Now, this is not going to like combat dark circles or anything like that. This is just to give you an awake appearance, to make you look like you're awake, to make you look like you're attentive, to make you look like that you're there. You're attentive. You know what's going on. Low-key you don't, but it just gives that. It's like you're at work and you're just like, okay, you see your boss. Your boss is probably gonna be like, okay, she looks like she's good. She got herself together. When deep down you're just like, girl, I'm tired. Next thing, I'm gonna go into my toner. So I don't really use a regular toner. I use more of a facial mist. So I'm gonna have a lot of Glow Recipe on here. So I love Glow Recipe. Like, their products are so good. Their prices are steep, but the reason why they're steep is because their products are really, really, really good. They have really, really good products. Like, you guys should invest. You will get your money's worth with Glow Recipe. But the next product by Glow Recipe is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Y'all see, this is almost done. This is almost done. I love this product so much. It makes you feel like, first of all, the smell is so good. It just smells like straight up watermelon. And then it gives you such a nice glow, like a beautiful, beautiful glow. Okay. So now I'm just gonna put that in. Next thing I'm gonna go into my essence. Yes, I do a somewhat Korean skincare routine. So the essence that I use is the Time Revolution, the First Treatment Essence. Now, apparently this essence is a dupe for the SK2 essence. I haven't tried that, so I wouldn't know. But this essence is so good. I've been using it for a while, and it hasn't even like reached halfway. But I bought this in Korea. I actually bought two. I bought two of them. Gotta make sure to pack too. Now, after my essence is usually when I will use my Glow Recipe Pineapple Serum. But since I use the Glossier, so I'm not going to be using that. For my nighttime routine, I would go into my Time Revolution Night Repair. I don't know how to say that word, but I will use this after my serum. This is a really good product, actually. The thing is I'm sad about is because when returning to Korea, because I also bought this in Korea, I didn't close it correctly, so some of the products slipped out. So the next thing that I'm going to go into is my moisturizer, and it's another Glow Recipe product. I love Glow Recipe. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer so much. I go through bottles, like bottles, and I still use the bottles for other products. I will use the bottles to put my oils in. I would keep the bottles. Okay. So now my skin is feeling good. It's glowy. It looks healthy. It looks maintained. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to go to is my SPF. Alright, so for my sunscreen, I use the Biore UV. This is more of a Japanese-based sunscreen. I got this sunscreen because of Tima. Tima loves lemons. She put this sunscreen in one of her videos, one of her skincare videos. And this sunscreen, on Amazon, it was like, I think I paid like $13. But in Japan, apparently, it's like a good $6. But this is a really good sunscreen. It doesn't give me a white cast, because you know how sunscreens on dark skin, we get, you know, that grayish cast or that white cast when we apply our sunscreen. It's a watery based sunscreen or essence or whatever. So this goes right into your skin. I'm gonna get a little bit more because I didn't add some on my forehead. I did not add any on my forehead. But you feel so moisturized in using this sunscreen. So moisturized. And the last step that I do is my eyebrows. So over here I have my little makeup corner. It turns and spins, see brushes. I don't even have that much makeup actually. I don't think I have a lot of makeup, but you know. But on the top of there is my eyebrow gel. So I use this as a skincare routine because I don't know, I feel like my eyebrows need to be in place before I go to bed and in the morning. But this product is the Glossier Boy Brow, and it's in the color clear. It's just like a white little, you know. My eyebrows are not threaded or waxed. I actually need to get my eyebrows done. I haven't got them done in a while. I've been waiting for my eyebrows to grow out because the last time I got them threaded, the lady took like a lot of hair over here and it was just not looking right. So I was just waiting for my brows to grow so I could go back to getting them waxed, because honestly I like the way that my brows look like when they're waxed, because the girl that I go to get my to get waxed, she waxes my brows to the shape of my face, because not everybody could rock that Instagram brow or the little arches, whatever. We have a certain, you know, eyebrow that is supposed to be fit for our face. So I mean, the Instagram brow is a good look, but for me, it doesn't look good on me in a way. I have a distinctive type of eyebrows, but I basically brush my eyebrows to look like Rock Lee from Naruto in a way, just bushy and all over the place and whatever, you know. I guess you could say the Glossier look, because this is kind of the Glossier look. They kind of don't, you know, do much with their brows. They just brush it and then they just don't really. Sometimes I've been seeing some models in Glossier where their brows are like worse than mine, but they be rocking it though. They still be looking good, but that's the way that they advertise their stuff. The last thing, this is a must-have thing that I need to do for my skincare routine, or just after I take a shower in general, which honestly I haven't done yet, but I'm gonna go and do that after this video. I just want to get this video out of here. But when I've taken my shower, I've moisturized, you know, lotion, deodorant, all that and everything like that, the last thing that I do is I need to spray perfume on my chest, behind my ears, and on my wrist. So in Korea, I went into the Latte Mall, I believe it's what it's called, Latte Mall. And I don't know what store I went to, but they were selling like BTS hand creams and perfumes and stuff like that. And if y'all know, or if y'all don't know, I am a Suga stan. Like, Suga is my ultimate male bias. And I bought, it comes with a whole stand. A whole stand of Suga and everything like that. But I bought his perfume because, yes, I love Suga, but honestly I do love the smell of his perfume. It's warm and it's woody. I love warm and woody smells. As you guys can see, you probably seen my Marc Jacobs Decadence perfume. This is a really warm, spicy scent. So this is the same thing. It smells so good. It's like, I guess you could say it's like baby powder, but like a manly version of baby powder. Like it smells so good. I guess you could say it's probably more suited for men, but it still has that unisex smell. Like a woman could wear this too. Like I feel like a really classy woman could wear this. It smells so good. But I would like spray this. Let me guys show you the consistency of the spray. I saw that. Now my dresser smells like this. It smells really good. But I would spray this to end basically everything, to top everything off. Thank you guys for watching my skincare routine. If there's any other requests that you want to see on my channel, please let me know and comment down below in the comment section. Leave a like and also share this video as well. Look, see, I know I get a lot of comments like, girl, your skin, like I have flaws. I have flaws. My skin is not really that good. I have a lot of work that I need to do. But thank you guys so much. I love you guys.